Welcome in. Well, the economy, the stock market, and everything else is starting to really show a lot of volatility, and a lot of people are starting to get nervous. What do you do with your 401k? What do you do with your investments? Are they safe? Are we headed to another prolonged bear market? Are we going to enter into a recession? And the answer to all those questions is nobody knows for sure. The stock market is unpredictable, and the economy could be swayed in one direction or another, depending on a number of different factors out there that we really don't have any control over. But the reality is, if we do experience some sort of prolonged bear market or recession, there are things you can do to make sure that you not only weather the storm, but you optimize your financial life because of what's going on during that bear market or recession. And there are 3 easy ways anybody can take advantage of that type of optimization during those specific times. The first one is taking advantage of any tax loss harvesting opportunities you may have. So that's essentially taking investments in your taxable account, selling those investments at a loss, and usually taking that loss and applying it toward another gain, or applying that loss toward your ordinary income on your tax return that year, up to $3,000 a year if you're married filing jointly. The other opportunity could be looking at Roth conversions. So because your investment portfolio is down, maybe it gives you an opportunity to convert more units because the value of those investment units are lower. And when the markets eventually recover in the future, it recovers in the tax-free Roth account instead of just building back up in that tax-deferred account where it will be subject to taxes again at some point in the future. And the third thing you can do is make sure you continuously rebalance your portfolio. So usually when you have money in a 401k, those 401k providers will do that for you. But if you're managing money in an IRA or outside of a 401k, make sure that you're systematically rebalancing your portfolio to make sure it stays within the risk parameters you want it to. So those are 3 easy ways you can continuously optimize your financial situation, whether we move into a bear market or recession or not. Thanks, and until next time, happy planning.